I'll ask you one question. What do you remember most about marriages today? The aftertaste, right? We're talking about interesting food, luxurious food, we're talking about destination food, and we're talking to a very interesting person in this interview, Mr. Sajal Garg. Let me know about your first association with food. You have a family of 140 people.
Yeah.
So tell me about your childhood and how rich was it in food?
A lot of ladies in the house, of course.
Okay.
So everyone had their own style of cooking and their own taste. Every chef has their own hand of making the food and
Yeah.
everything. So same thing tasted if someone else made it different every time. So
Yeah.
that is when I started that how is it possible that same food, same ingredients can be cooked in a different taste.
And then you went to Switzerland to study and
So
perfect your craft.
I left India in actually 2011.
Okay.
To learn about food and everything. So I was there in London for a year. I think I hogged on the food there. Then to skill that again and to sharpen my skills and to learn more, I joined Hospitality University. It's called Glion Institute of Higher Education. And there I actually crafted my skills. My head chef over there, my teacher, very strict. So once he actually gave me few potatoes to peel and I didn't do it right. So for 1 week, every day I used to peel 100 kgs of potato to make it right.
And tell me about the company you formed, CCI, and how many partners are there in the company? How did you come together and decided food is something that you're going to focus on?
Actually, CCI is a 17-year-old company.
Yeah.
Started by two people, Mr. Virender Handa and Mr. Kapil Midda. CCI was always associated with our family, I think since 2001,
Okay.
when they were not actually a catering company.
Okay.
Then we got into the planning of an event and what kind of food. I was intrigued and pulled by the idea of Mr. Handa saying that in Delhi, an engagement party, 3,000 people, I'll do a sit down dinner, Tapneyaki style. So basically 3,000 guests,
Yeah.
and for every 4 guests there was
Seating.
a sitting and one chef dedicated to those
that
4
particular-
people.
Oh, wow.
And you could actually ask, I want to eat this today, and the chef will make it in front of you live. So that was one thing which pulled me towards CCI that we should do something about it. India, they don't have much time to do more because in India we do about 300 events a year. So we planned that we should move the destination wedding part to Dubai.
Okay.
It was a very organic choice because things were changing here
Right.
very fast,
Yeah.
and Indian market was coming towards Dubai for destination weddings because the nearest and the best place to be.
Well, tell me, it's such an interesting, creative, it's all artists. All
Yeah.
these are, you work with artists. How do you put them together? You have a huge number of very high-end chefs who work with you.
The team, thanks to God, that the team we have is very supportive in whatever wild ideas I give them. So I can give an example. Few days ago, I told my chef that I need a dessert, so Indian dessert called gulab jamun,
Jay.
and ice cream coated on it and fried.
Okay.
And I am sure he didn't say it to me, but I'm sure he thought that he's a fool, like what is he asking for? But he made it. It took him 1 week to understand what I'm asking him for. Coming from there, they do a lot of stuff, but the argument remains that is it possible or no? If it is possible, how? So my head chef here, Carlo,
Yeah.
he is from Peru.
Before we come back and ask a few more interesting questions to Mr. Sajal Garg, let's go and say hello to the head chef of CCI, Carlo Valentino from Peru. Interestingly, his parents are doctors, but he always had an interest in cooking and learned how to cook from his maid at home, and then went to Spain to fulfill his passion. Tell me, what do you put in your food that makes it special?
For sure, love, passion. We cook to see the smile of our customers.
Thank you very much for speaking to me.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay.
He's very finicky about his food, very stubborn. We work with a lot of celebrity chefs,
Yes.
so you learn a lot.
Right.
You learn a lot. So one example is for Chef Vicky Ratnani. He innovates things.
Okay.
So yeah, he stir fried one full crab one day, and I was asking, "What are you doing?" He's like, "I'm trying to find where the meat is." Innovation is basically the key in my business.
What is the
For-
wildest thing you've tried?
We get a lot of requests which are wild. So once someone asked me to barbecue a full crocodile.
So tell me about Dubai, the choices that Dubai asks for, and how innovative is Dubai? Right.
Dubai as a place for food is a very difficult market because you really need to understand the clientele. And because there's so many expats here,
Yeah.
they know their food.
Right.
You cannot go wrong with them.
Right.
So yeah, it depends what exactly people want to eat because we try to give them what they're asking for.
So do you also patent these things, or it's sometimes people?
I don't
say
want to stop
people from experimenting.
people from experimenting the food I do or anyone else does.
Right.
So we don't really patent the
Yeah.
dish,
Yeah.
but yes, we patent our recipes. So any chef which comes in CCI has to sign a legal document that if the recipe goes out, then he can
he
be
liable?
he's liable for criminal charges actually.
But has the COVID situation also you added extra precautions to what you create? Has it happened now in the past?
It has actually taught me a lot of things about the kitchen, especially. PPE kits, I don't think I've ever heard PPE kits word before
Right.
COVID. Then sanitization, how the kitchen should look like. Though we take a lot of precautions in our kitchen already, disinfecting the knives, the cutlery, the crockery we use. We throw our utensils or we donate our utensils every 6 months.
And what about destination weddings? You do a lot of work across the
Yeah.
world in destination weddings.
So destination weddings was the main reason why we opened here.
Yeah.
And major discussion happens way before the event, which I would say is minimum is 4 months.
Right.
So our team goes there, and we go actually sometimes with the managers as
Right.
well, because we really work very closely with our clients. So we try that the client should be there, and we go, we do the Reiki, we see what the place is,
Right.
where can we do what, where should the kitchen be, where can be the live counters, and how it is going to be done. Because destinations, the major issue is the visa
Right.
and procurement. Language is one of the biggest barriers we have.
Tell me about celebrities attending the weddings. Do they have any specific requests?
We've served Beyonce, Akon, Shakira,
Okay.
Ranveer Singh, Katrina Kaif, Salman Khan. So actually these people don't eat much, but I try that whatever they eat is the perfect thing.
So tell us about a little more of them, like Beyonce. What would you serve her?
Beyonce, I actually served her salad.
Okay.
And she was more than happy. I was like, these are the people I need, done and dusted in 5 minutes. But yeah, I would say Akon is a heavy eater.
Okay. Uh-huh.
He likes to eat food in general. And for Brain Lara, as a cricketer, he's a foodie.
Okay.
And he doesn't eat much, but he likes to try everything.
Okay.
Today, my dream, if I want to open a restaurant, I want that if someone is coming with a specific expectation, I should multiply it by at least 100.
Okay.
That, wow.
Yeah.
Every dish he should say wow.
Okay.
So that's why we don't have a restaurant as of now.
Okay.
But everything is in pipeline.
Okay. If you were to tell me one last thing about food, we believe that food is culture.
Yeah.
What do you say?
Food is, I would say, everything. Culture, it might be in hindrance of a lot of people. It might be ancestral. It's everything. For me, it's everything. Food is everything.
Okay.
Whether I wake up in the morning till I go to bed, it's everything.
Okay, it was great talking to you, and I think I'm already hungry. We are all hungry.
The food is actually waiting for you. It was a pleasure to have you guys here.
Thank you so much.
The
for
pleasure
speaking
is
to us.
mine.
Thank
Thank you.